Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually kind of like last minute, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. So yeah, I'm gonna dye my hair again. But yeah, I am deciding to ombre my hair, but I did find, like, in my collection I still have some Ion Color Brilliance Brights. This is part of the Gems collection, and this one is in the shade Jade. So with that being said, I'm literally dropping everything off of my vanity because I need to clean it, but I'm just too lazy. But what I have in mind is going to be something like this, which I think it will be super cute. But yeah, so with that being said, I have to bleach my hair just a little bit, which, I mean, it's already starting to lighten up already. So the developer that I'm going to be using is 20 Ball. So yeah, I already have my bleach already in here. The bleach I'm going to be using is the Clairol Kaleido Colors. You guys know this is my go-to bleach. And like I said, I'm just gonna go in with the Salon Care. I'm gonna use the 20 volume. Typically when I bleach my hair, if I'm going like full blonde, I'll either go between 30 volume and 40. But I don't want to be like too damaging, so yeah. I did 2 scoops of bleach, so that means I have to do 4 of these guys right here. I'm trying to figure out like how I want to do this, and I feel like the easiest way I'm going to do it is like by like parting my hair. I'm probably going to have to do it in like 4 parts. That's probably going to be like the easiest way to do it. But I'm thinking like here and down. Alrighty guys, so here goes nothing.
Like shy preteens, I could only breathe to believe I'm alone. service like shy teens. I could only breathe to believe I'm alone. Wait, to give you my heart.
Hi guys, so I'm back. So this is the results after my bleaching, which is actually pretty perfect because I didn't want it to be like super bright. It is on the brassy side, but that's to be expected since I am coming from like super dark brown. But yeah, so I'm just gonna apply the Jade color. So this is my mixture right here. I did add in usually like when I use my semi-permanent color, I mix in conditioner. Usually the conditioner that I mix in is the mane and tail, so it looks just like this. And literally what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna leave the hair color in my hair all night, so that way it will take it as like a deep conditioning treatment as well.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman, but he's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow. No one can control it. Control it. Control it. Yeah. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow. No one can control it. Yeah, does. Yeah, yeah. She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is the norm. Let me show you how it goes. Loves the word, spins the vibe. Lovers it good, freak what you want. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I'm about to bag it up, bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I'm about to bag it up, bag it up. I like the way you work it, no. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow. No one can control it. No, no, no. Yeah. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow. No, 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 they can't control it. Yeah, does. No, no, no. Yeah, does. No diggity, darling. I like the way you work it. 1738. No diggity, darling. I'm not the bad. 1738. No diggity, darling. I like the way you work it. I'm about to bag it up. No diggity, darling. I'm about to bag it up. No diggity, darling. I like the way you work it. 1738. No diggity, darling. I'm about to bag it up.
Alright guys, so yeah, I'm just going to leave this in my hair overnight and hopefully it's good results. Obviously I'm gonna have the results after this part, but yeah, I will see you guys in the morning.